Welcome back to Kindergardening. Today we are going to grow more. This is Mr. Mark, and our garden word for the day is grow. G-R-O-W, grow. We grow plants, but we also grow the way our minds work when we learn new ideas. We're talking about growing today, and I wanted to give you a little bit of an update on how plants are growing. Below you'll see we have a radish and a beet. And these are from my part of the garden. They aren't actually the things that we planted for the kindergartening, but I'd planted them a week or so before. But you can see here in this beet that it's starting to swell up here where the pencil is pointing. You can imagine that that thing is going to get so much bigger than this quarter. It'll be at least twice as big as that. Some of the beets are almost as big as a baseball, and this one is starting to grow that way. And here you can see a radish. Radish is actually about half the size that it's going to be, but it'll be about as large as that quarter. So already the radish is bigger than a dime, and it's almost as big as a penny, and it's going to grow up to be larger than a quarter. So it's growing, our garden is growing, and in the spring, vegetables grow a lot. Let's take a look at the 9 garden words that we've already seen in the previous episodes: seed, dirt, rain, sun, heat, weed, thin, sad, and move. Do you remember them? Do you remember how to spell them? If you want to, you can pause the video and practice spelling the words. But here you'll find a garden word match game. You can print this out from the file your teacher provided, or otherwise just look at the screen and see if you can figure out how to match up each of these words with a picture. Some pictures are easier to match than others. I would say do the easy ones first and see if you can match up the others. There's only 9. I think you can do it. It is probably more important for you to grow your brain than to grow a radish, although both are very great to do. Next time on Kindergartening, we will talk about tools. It will be tool time. Talk to you then.